Hey Lash babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're not doing any lashes. So today I don't have any lash sets for you to do, but I am going to be showing you all the products that I have been mentioning in the last 3 previous videos that I posted. I cut my finger yesterday, so ignore the blue ring. So I have been posting the new series that I started called Lash with Me, and it's where I bring you along so that you guys can watch me lash. So I do have many more videos to come for that series, and in those videos I teased you guys and I mentioned a lot of products, and a lot of you did purchase. So if you're one of those, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy your products. I do want to let you guys know that you can come to Facebook and join our Facebook group called Reallyprettylashes, and we would love to have you. You can come in and share your work, share your social medias. There's no rules. There's nothing where like you can only post social media on Saturdays or whatever. Just come and you can talk about what you want to talk about. Help answer other people's questions, get your questions answered, and you can also share your frustrations on there, because I mean, come on, there are a lot of them. Start with lashes. I will be putting some pictures here and here, or wherever on the screen, to show you guys of the work that I have been doing that comes from these lashes. Now every product, I don't want to be like, I don't want to sit here trying to like shove products down anybody's throats. Like, you guys don't have to buy anything at all, but I really worked hard. I feel like over 2 years already that I've just been trying out purchasing, not wasting money, but I've just been purchasing a lot of products and trying to find the right vendors to work with, and I feel like I finally have found them. So these are the lashes, and I'm pretty sure I have showed you guys. I'm going to show you up close of one that's already open, so I don't have to open another one. But the brand is basically called Reallyprettylashes, and this is what they look like. I don't think you'll be able to see really close, but they're really soft, really dark, and they are easy fan. They do have a foil back, so I really like that. You can pick it up and re-stick it wherever you want, because I know that's something annoying when you don't have the foil back. I do only carry 11, 13, and 15 right now, so all the pictures of the work that I posted here on the screen, it will be only using sizes 11, 13, and 15, and it kind of just gives you an idea of how many different styles. So if you're confused, I'm confused too. I lost all footage. Here I am trying to make a thumbnail, but I lost, I don't know, all the sound. So I had sat down, here I am sitting down, and I'm about to go, and hopefully I didn't miss anything, because I don't know what happened to my camera. I do only carry sizes 11, 13, and 15, and I will be posting pictures right here of the sets that I've been doing using only those sizes. I feel like I'm somebody that spent a lot of money. I threw away a lot of money on a bunch of different lash brands and lash trays, and I needed this size and that curl and this curl. You don't need all that. So I'm a DD curl type of girl. Like, I really love a curl. So we will be working on adding in more different curls. Let me know in the comments below if you do want a different curl. Just comment it down below so I can know. I think the DD curl works for everybody. We do only carry 0.05. They are the easy fan lashes, and these, I've searched high and low for like the best easy fan lashes, and these are super dark. Like, you guys can see in the pictures, in the work shows. So I don't want to like shove it down your throat. If you want to try a tray, maybe try 1, 2, whatever, and then see if you like them. But I have been loving them, so I feel like you guys will like them too. These are super dark, very fluffy. I get the word fluffy a lot from my clients. They're just so like wowed by them, and I think that's great. Like, I'm glad that I finally found the ones that I'm super happy with, and that I see my clients being super happy with. And now you guys that have been purchasing them and using them, like, I see that you're happy, so it makes me so happy. Like, you have no idea. So the next product that I came out with is a tape. It is a pink tape, and it's super cute. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a 9M roll, and to be honest, this one's pretty big. Like, this is the one that I've been using, and I'm about to show you. This is the size of the roll, and it is huge. It's huge. Like, you guys know you know, this is the Next Care, and you don't really get a lot of product here, but I mean, this will last you a long time. And it honestly, I used to use Next Care. I found a lot of problems, mainly with it not wanting to restick. That bugged me a lot. And then also supposedly it was really sensitive, and so it wouldn't pull any lashes, any fans out, and it always would for me. I don't know for you guys, but this one does not pull any lashes out. That is what I really love about it, because you do spend a lot of hard work making your volume fans, and to just lose them, you know, like after trying to move the tape, like that really sucks. On top of it, it's pink, it's cute. I think everything pink is cute, and it is breathable tape. The thing that I love about this, like I said, it re-sticks. Like you can put it down and it will constantly, I'm gonna do this like 100 times. See if it's still, just kidding. But yeah, it re-sticks every single time. You just gotta add a little warmth, and it is brand new. Like, and it doesn't pull out lashes. I don't want to sit here and just like tell you guys like, oh, it does this, like it does that. You can check out the last 3 videos that I posted. You can see me just ripping this off of after I taped back some of the lashes, and it doesn't take any off. So really cool. I like it. I'm hoping that you guys will like it as well. All right, next I'm gonna share with you my favorite now. This is, I love it. This is the volume tweezer that we came out with. It is a 90 degree. I do say we because I am trying to make this a brand and a company. So I do have someone in the business with me, so that is why I say we, if you're wondering. But yeah, so these are the volume tweezers that I came out with. They are black, and excuse these because these are the ones that I use. So they're not, you know, they're a little like sticky. But these are the diamond pattern, and they are the 90 degree L-shaped tweezer. And what I like is that it has a really long little tip. And also when you lay this flat, like it just gives you so much support. I feel like when you're working and you want to pick up the lashes from the strip, it gives you a lot of support that you can actually lay it all down, and you don't have to move a lot. You don't have to move your hand a lot, and it works really well. They are called That's the Spot because throughout the whole thing you do get a sweet spot. And I know on a lot of other tweezers the sweet spot is usually like in the middle or on the tip, wherever. But on here, you close the whole thing and it has really good grip. Let me see if I can show you. I feel like in the videos of the tutorials it shows you, but here you can just like, you know, you don't have to, you can move around and you can still just have all the tension there, and you just pump it a few times, lift it up, and it creates a beautiful fan. I don't know if you guys could see that. And without any, like I wasn't even trying, and I was kind of uncomfortable like showing you guys, but it was still able to fan out. And all you do is you just grab a few, pull it up a bit, pump it a few times, and make sure to pull up, and just bam, it creates a beautiful fan. And you do, with Easy Fan lashes, I do want to let you guys know that you still have to work with. Just because they are called Easy Fan, it doesn't mean that they're like easy to work with. You still have to have all the technique that you would have as a lash artist. Like you still have to have technique. However, they are heat bonded at the end. So I did have a question on one of the videos asking, you know, how much glue do they come with? They don't come with any glue at all. So they're heat bonded, and so that's even better. Like you don't have double the glue once you go in with glue. And they are also foil back, and I know that's important to a lot of people. It is to me, because you can place it down, pick it up, place it down, and you don't lose the tackiness as fast. Those are a few things I forgot to mention. But anyway, I really love this tweezer. Like I said, I wouldn't be sharing with you guys if I didn't love it. And it's a really good tweezer. It just has a great grip, and that's very important. And brings me to my next product, which this next product is part of the new line that I just came out with. The volume tweezer was the first one, and this is the Bronzed Beauty collection. It is a protector for your tweezers. So it's a cute little white bracelet, and it comes with this black cord. And then it comes with a cute little charm, and the charm has like little rhinestones in it. It is a shape of an eye. I'm trying to show you. and it is called I'm Never Gonna Let You Go, because you're never gonna let it go. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm super clumsy. All you do is you attach your tweezer, any tweezer fits, and you just go to lashing. And if you're somebody like me, look at that, it looks cute too because of the little charm. Like, it just looks cute. Yeah, if you're lashing and you're clumsy like me, you just drop your tweezer all the time, and then RIP, because I don't even know how many tweezers I've wasted and gone through, but they've all died. And so this is gonna help you because you're never gonna let them go. And yeah, it's a protector. Like, how cute is that? It's a must-have. I will not lash without it anymore. Really quick, before I forget to mention, in a couple weeks we will, I do try to tell people that you only do need sizes 11, 13, and 15, but I've opened up the line and it will be running from 10 to 15. So we'll be offering 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 DD curls. So yeah, so for you guys that really are just so used to using 9 or 10, you know, 12 and all in between, then that's coming really soon, so be ready. The next product is this one, and this is part of the Bronze Beauty collection. This is just one of those little mirrors, you know, that you can, it has a cute little logo, really pretty lashes, and it has a little lash and a brow, and it's cute. And it what I really loved about this collection is that it's like bronze, you know, it's like a beautiful, what they described it to me is that it's like a chocolate color with like a hint of pink. And you can see, I feel like the camera's not doing it justice, but I wanted something colorful, but then again, I'm not too much into bright colors. I'm very neutral, and I think this will just look pretty on your lash tray. And this is for when you want to check if you have any stickies, or if you want to check if their lashes are stuck together. It's a mirror, or you want to take those cute little, you know, pictures where they have like, you know, the eye double or whatever. All right, and then this one just came out. This is a new tweezer. This is the isolation tweezer, and I've been using the practice one that I've had, and I fell in love with it, so I had to get it for you guys. So these come, look at the color, you can see it a lot better here, but these come with cute little eyelashes on each side, and then it comes with the logo as well, as you guys can see here, and the tip. Oh my god, guys, this is exactly what I wanted. It is a curve, so I did name it She's Got Curves, because she's got curves. And it is really pointy. What I like is that it's really thin at the tip. And I don't know about you guys, but when I'm lashing and I have like a thick tweezer in my way, I feel like it gets in my way of seeing, you know, like the little hairs. But also it separates pretty wide, and I love that because there's a lot of isolation tweezers that I've gone through, and they don't, like, they isolate really good, but they don't open and separate. And I feel like these do a really great job at isolating, so that is why I chose this style. Again, it is curved, but it's not too curved also. It just fits like perfectly. I don't know how to show you guys. I'll be using it in my next video, so just be sure to watch out for that if you want to see how it works. I mentioned for you guys that ordered, you do, I mean, a lot of people are getting some pretty sweet prizes, little surprises in your packages, so I hope that you enjoy those. Moving on to the giveaway, I'm giving away the Bronze Beauty collection little protector that is called I Will Never Let You Go, and it comes with the volume tweezer. Yep, the volume tweezer, you'll be getting it. It's a $23 value, and the bracelet is, you can get these for $8 without the charm, but with the charm it is $10, so hopefully that's not too much for you. If you really look at it, you will be saving a lot of money on not having to repurchase tweezers, so you'll be able to purchase this bad boy, and it'll help you out in your life. So yeah, if you guys are interested in winning one of these, all you have to do is tag a friend on my Instagram, which is Reallyprettylashes, a dot in between each word, and also like this video, subscribe, share it if you want. You don't have to. That's not a thing you have to do, but you do have to tag another lash tech in your comments on Instagram, and I will be putting a little giveaway picture, so you guys can comment on that picture if you can, please. So in the comments down below, I would like you guys to just leave a video suggestion that you want to see. Also leave your Instagram handle so that I can find you if you are the winner. And I will be announcing the winner in about a week and a half, so give me a little bit of time, but we will be doing it. And yeah, if you want a chance to win this, again, this is a $23 tweezer, and this is a $10 little cute, you can use it as a necklace if you wish. Hey, that's kind of cute. But yeah, you can, yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope I'm not leaving anything out, but I will have everything linked in the description down below, so you guys can go check that out. And again, if you've purchased something already, because I have had some orders, I really appreciate you guys. I shipped out a few the other day, and then I'm going to be shipping out some tomorrow, so I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, I really hope to grow the brand and just get it out there. And also join our Facebook group. It is called Reallyprettylashes, so that you guys can go on and share tips and tricks, and you guys can like share our drama, you know, that goes on in the lash world. And yeah, if you guys want to post your social media on there, go ahead. There's no rules on our Facebook group page, because I know there's a lot of them that you go onto and you're not allowed to share this or not allowed to post a video. Like if you guys are lash techs that post lash videos, come post them on our group and share them with all the girls, and we'll be happy to have you. So yeah, I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.